So yes guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to edit the processor and your system info on your PC. So like for example, when I go over to my settings and I open the system info and the about section, so how can I edit this the processor, for example, 11th gen and the Core i7 and the processor speeds. I'm teaching you how to edit all this feature here on your iOS and upgrade it to a better one. So let's just go ahead. So what you have to do here without wasting much time is to open your registry editor. So you run as administrator here. They're going to ask you for this screen, so click on verify and that's yes. And the next thing for you to do is go over to your HKey local machine. So from here, expand this to your HKey local machine, go over to the hardware, going to opening hardware. Next to do is to go over to the description, then go over to your system. Then you have to go over to your BIOS, okay, go over to your central processor. Then what you have to do is to open the one. So when you open the one, the next thing to do is to open your processor name string. So from here you'll be able, as you can see, it's here 11th gen. So you'll be able to upgrade this to another. So you can see here my it's originally Core i7. I can upgrade this to Core i9. I can decide to change this to even a 12th or 13th generation here. I can say 12th gen. I can increase the speed to, let's see, because I don't want to make it too notable, to let's say 3.95 gigahertz. And I can leave this like this. So once you're done, click on OK, save this, close this application, and try to restart your PC. And as soon as you restart your PC, you should have it showing there that that is the new specs of your PC with an upgraded version and upgraded speed and everything. So if you find this video really helpful, go ahead to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this to people who actually really need this too. Thank you.